Hey guys, Mila, welcome back to another video. Today I'm with my cousin IC16. Oh my god, this is already the worst video ever. Okay, so we're gonna play Be a Parkour Ninja. Yeah, well, let's just get it today. Okay, he's gonna join me. You gonna join me. Going? This video is the worst video ever. Whatever, let's go. Continue. Oh, you can't even join me. Seriously. Okay. Robux, dude. Okay. Just gonna help my you don't have to. Oh. Why is this video sucking so much? Okay. I'm better than him. I just pressed play. Okay, you're playing now. Oh, it's way easier in this. I'm just gonna summon random clones. Yeah. Shh. Okay. I'm kind of sick. Help me. More clones. I want to hit people. Where are people? Let me hit people. I'm dying. Then watch out. Why am I way better than him speaking English? I didn't die. What do you mean you did? You did die. You died, didn't you? No. You did. You did. Look, you can see me. Okay, but just I'm waiting for. Where are you? Where are you? I see 16. I killed you. Oh, no, you didn't. Oh, I killed you. Oh, this is gonna be the worst video ever. But it's a collab, so I guess I'm gonna feature the name of this guy's channel. Apparently, he has a channel. No. You do? You don't? No. What the heck? I killed that. Oh my god. My dead camera. Okay, that's nice. That's rice. Rice. Get some rice. No, Imran Khan. Okay. Imran Khan? No, Mama Duzan Shine Shafridi. Okay, this guy's weird. What? This guy dodged my attack. And I died. Yay. What yay? What do you mean yay? As you can see, I'm pro 17.7%. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be right back. Let's go. Let's go, boys. You're not a boy. You're a girl. I'm not a girl. You're a girl. Who said? Said who? You can see. This is a cringe video. You can see your video, the gummy osmosis thing. I saw that. Me and the girl. Oh my god. Remember, guys, this is gonna be a really big cringe video. Yeah. You are cringe. You don't? Do you even know what the meaning of cringe is? No. Weird. Seriously? You're that dumb? No, I'm boom! Oh my god, 55.6? What 55 points? And you're better than 8% of people. Yay! This video is already the worst video ever. No. Yep. Okay, don't talk that loud. See, just... Yay! Okay, please. I just explained to him what a video is. What did you say? Absolutely nothing. 2.4. Yeah! Yeah, I killed 2 people. You are suck. You are suck. Do you have the heavy sword? Yep. The heavy sword is the best sword. No. It's the any counter of you can move the damage button. What? I can. I'm the best. And oh my god. We're back. Yeah. After explaining everything. And I'm about to you because you died and I killed somebody. Oh, you did? That's nice. Just collab with the cousin. I hit her then she hit me. Yeah. So I died. Yeah, because she did more damage. BMG. But I hit her first. Well, then you... heavy sword. Well, that sucks. Then the game just hates you, I guess. Like Minecraft. Like, you can get everything you want, and I just suck. You can't even get a single thing. You actually have to pay mine coins. Like, that sucks. And you have mods. Apparently. Yes, I do. You can just download this video was not sponsored by Minecraft. Well, why isn't Minecraft giving us money then, huh? This video is sponsored by Minecraft. We need 1,000 billion subscribers. I guess that is kind of true, but not in our case right now. No. Boom. I need a kill. You need a kill? I don't think you can kill right now. Down we go. Where are you, bro? I'm in nowhere. Boop.
I'm behind you, bro.
Bonk! Oh, I almost killed you.
I always die by you, but not this time.
That's
Only
nice.
you killed me one time.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
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 I will do my technique. Go off the map and go in the
Yeah,
map.
come. Oh, frick. I died.
Like this.
No, I died already.
Yeah.
Okay, so. This is so dark. What's my battery? Oh, 64.
Yeah,
Oh, frick.
I can see my face.
You can see your face. That's good. Yeah, me too.
Scream.
Which sucks.
You died?
No. And it was a thing. Summon the clones.
Don't. Why can you only summon one clone?
The game.
I killed somebody.
If you were allowed to do a lot of clones, then the entire map would just be filled with clones. Like, seriously.
Yeah, because I would do this like this. Clones.
Yeah, a bunch of clones, I can tell.
Yeah.
I already recorded 6 minutes of a video content. Oh!
And it was already this.
We're back.
1.3.
What, you got a point?
Yeah.
This video is filled with random talking. Please do not disturb.
Yes, disturb.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna. My channel's
No.
okay. My channel's gonna be. Oh my god. Okay.
We are better than Mr. Beast.
Apparently, yes.
No.
Mr. Beast, you wanna fight us? Come over here. You don't even know my address.
Yeah.
So basically, wait, he doesn't know. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Where's the person? Who the heck? Who the heck?
Oh, die.
Yay. I only destroy people who are standing still for some odd reason.
Why?
I have no idea.
You are stupid. You can't kill me, but
I can. Said who?
kill me then.
I have to figure out where the heck you are.
That's the problem. I lost 1.3.
Oh, that is so sad.
But I have 0.9.
No, okay, that's nice. I guess.
You guess?
Yes. I'm sorry, guys. I keep destroying my friends. Wait, what? I keep destroying my friends'
Your
lives.
friend Muhammad, he sucks only a billion times.
Oh my god, this video is the worst.
CR7.
Worst CR7 is the worst. My cousin says, boy, guys.
Yeah.
Like
He's the worst.
like the video if you think he's the best, and my cousin is wrong. Oh my god.
Messi.
Guys, debate. Is Messi better or Ronaldo better? Comment down below.
Messi.
Okay. He wants Messi, I guess. Okay, we're leaving. We're going to play another game. Let's play Zombie. Anyways, I'm back with a new game called Speedrun 4. Warning, this video is going to have a lot of screaming and stuff, so yeah.
Where's my trail?
So, it's going to take a while to load your trade. I look so weird.
I don't have a jump button.
Zombie mode.
It's so hard. The trees are gonna kill us, but they heal us for some reason and kill us.
Orange juice. I have orange juice, but I can't even equip the orange
I want
juice.
to drink orange juice.
Okay,
I'm
goodbye.
sad.
Because you want to drink orange juice?
No, I want to eat orange, and it's my favorite fruit, and it's gone.
Spring. Just because the spring doesn't mean you can't get it anymore. Where the heck is my music? Without mute. Oh my god.
My music is here.
Where's my music?
Looks like you suck.
I have no music. Oh, there we go. My music's here. Jump. I got my trail. Do you have your trail?
No.
Well, that's sad.
I have my trail. I buy the worst trail.
The red trail? Sad.
It's the coolest.
I mean, the red trail is really cool.
No, the green one.
The green one, your favorite color.
Yeah.
Why does it show me yellow when I brought orange? I think in the video it showed me orange.
White is the best because
Okay. Pakistan. Okay. Just dancing. We're dancing. Whoa.
I never died.
Yeah, right. I can do around 20 minutes, but my
I
views.
can do like 1 hour.
You can do 1 hour of video content. I can only get 20, but I'm gonna only record till 15
Wow.
because I want to play my other games. Like seriously, what the heck? What you're gonna keep falling?
Do this for me.
Okay.
It's so hard.
Well, I can't do anything about it. Now you try.
You can help.
You said it was easier on phone than laptop. Now show me how easy it is.
It's harder in level 2.
In just level 2? Yeah. If you suck at this level, then what's about the other levels? Because I'm at level 3. Just gonna dance.
You suck.
Now I'm sad. What can I buy?
I'm on level 3.
Triangles. Triangles.
No, you can't buy that.
Dances. I want 1,000 eyes. Where's the dance? I got a new dance. The robot. This is the robot. This sucks. Yo, no, you're not. I'm gonna check the leaderboard. Which level are you on? You're actually on level 3. Wow, I was busy. I was changing my dance to the robot.
Oh, yeah. I missed the first one.
Nice. Best thing. Guys, we're on something. Oh, you fell. Oh, let's go. Oh, and my camera was stuck. And you fell.
Nope.
Yes, you did.
Nope.
I can't even see anything. Why are we even out in the sunlight? It sucks. I have to lay like this on some cement. Cement? Ah! You just sprayed cement at me. In me. Oh my god, I need to be clean up. Okay, so my cousin left and I'm just alone now, so we're gonna do stage 3 and then I'm gonna go goodbye. And I fell off. Okay. Goodbye. I'm sorry, this video was so cringe. It's not my fault. Okay, before I end this video, and like, share, and subscribe. But here's a dance for you. Okay guys, bye.